The hand is not doing any justice to the body, justice to those oranges. And you say you're knacking her, and you say you want her to come around again. This is exactly how to make a woman to always want you all the time. Whenever you want to knack her, she will be ready for you. Like, she will be happy to receive you at all times if you're able to fix these things. The first thing is your attention. Okay, women prioritize your attention so badly that if you can be able to spend quality time with your woman, she will always be giving in to you. She will always be out for you because you spend time with her. Women prioritize your attention more than your money. I know that money is important for women. Like, if you're going to give her all the attention in the whole world and you don't give her money, it's still not going to work. What I mean is to balance the equation. I know that as a man, you have a lot to do. Okay, you're doing a lot to make sure that there's money. Okay, yes. But at least make out chance and always tell her that you are making out this chance out of your busy schedule to spend time with her. She will actually value you. She will always want you to be around. And when you are around her and spend time, like quality time, even before you start knacking things, we are not talking about knacking stuff, but when you spend quality time with your woman to like talk to her, okay, you guys bond with each other, this will help her to always be ready for you. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is your foreplay. Your foreplay methods. Now, you have to actually make sure that you know things that works for her, okay, and focus on all those things. If your woman is someone that loves gifts, then please, from time to time, try to actually give her. From time to time, I didn't say all the time, okay. Now, if your woman is the type that loves the attention, which I must say that all women love attention, but there are women that prioritize this so badly, like it's their love language, then please make her time to spend time with her before knacking. Not that you come in and you say like, oh, yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm ready. Please just undress and do the now. Okay, make sure that you spend time with her before the time you're going to knock her. If you find that this is what her love language is, please focus on this one, and you are going to see that every time you comes around, because you comes around the right way, she will always give in. She will always be ready for you. Now, another thing you should also focus on is to make sure that your woman is wet before you start the knacking process. Okay, make sure that your woman is wet. Any woman you're knacking without being without her body being soft, being wet, that woman would never want you to come around again. In her mind, she might also give in when you comes, or even give you compliment before she gives in. But because you don't focus on making sure that she's wet, either through the way you touch her, okay, even if you have touched her is not working, try the licking part. Okay, you know what I'm talking about. Try the licking part, and she should also do the same for you, right? And you guys should be sure that you are free from whatsoever, okay, that can be able to like whatsoever. You know what I'm talking about, like contacting the contacting. Thank you, which I don't want to mention here, but then you guys should be free from her, that particular part, and also keep yourselves clean, and then you can do the licking stuff. This way, she can be able to soften. She can be able to be wet, complete, and you will do your job perfectly well. Okay, and she will enjoy it. And every other time you comes around, because she remember the experience last time, she will always give in. But you're a man that focuses on trying to. Okay, you are there and you are good. Okay, you are okay. You have done your part and you are good. Now, make sure that she is soft before you start the job, and you see that she always wants to come around. Okay. Now, another one is the making sure that you actually love that woman. How do you do that? Make sure that when you're doing the do, you also touch other parts of her body. This is so important for women. A lot of men, when they are knacking the woman, they focus on the knacking process. Their hand is not doing any justice to the body, justice to those oranges. And you say you're knacking her, and you say you want her to come around again. It's going to be stressful for your hands to be doing the job, at least even if it's one hand to be doing that particular job with the oranges, and then you are knacking her that downside. You know what I'm talking about? If you can combine these two together, this your woman will be happy to be with you all the time. Okay, and make sure that your time with your woman, you're not going to start accusing your woman, start fighting with your woman, and start being fighting here and there, and then in the end, you want her to give in and always be there for you. Teach your woman right, okay, and your woman will be there for you always. And this should be vice versa, okay. Make sure that you marry someone that loves you and someone that respects you, and you do the same to her, and it will be like lovey-dovey all the time, okay. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. But I want to stop here for today. See you guys in my next video. Here I will be posting to my impression members, okay. I will be posting every week, okay, detailed videos like this. So if you have any questions or things that you want to know more, let me know in the comment section, because I will do video on that. Every week I will drop videos for you guys, and it will be detailed like this. Okay, see you guys in my next video. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. Let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, I know you have already subscribed. For my members, okay, thank you for being here.